Assalamualaikum semua. Hari ini saya cuba memakai makeup Drugstore. Saya buat kata makeup secara Arianna Grande menggunakan Drugstore punya makeup. Okay, stay tuned.
You should really get to know me. I see you looking at my body very closely, but there's a lot of things about me that you don't see. You know we can take it fast or take it slowly. We could fly out to Ibiza and get cozy.
Malam ni saya just nak promo kat you all. Watson ada jual 50% untuk barang Silky Girl dengan Maybelline. Semua ni 50% tau.
All your friends are looking for you, they don't know where you're at, cause you left with me and slipped out the back. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Yeah, I know you got some things that you could show me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Let's forget about our phones until the morning. We can post up, no one gets to see our story. I can take you places you ain't been before me. Then the rest I guess is self-explanatory. All your friends are looking for you, they don't know where you're at, cause you left with me and slipped out the back. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Get to know me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Yeah, I know you got some things that you could show me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. La 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 la
Yeah, I see you watching, you been plotting on me low-key, low-key. I put this ice up on your neck and freeze your body, yeah. I've been known to be giving, get it then I spin it. Invent a new wave, then I reinvent it. Forget to on your wrist now, can't be acting timid. Take you to the mystical, ain't nobody been it. Yeah, throw me that alley, I'ma dunk and win it. I ain't looking for love, but it's been a minute. Serve it to me on the plate, I'ma come and get it. You love it, I like it, it's lit.
Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Yeah, I know you got some things that you could show me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Really get to know me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Yeah, I know you got some things that you could show me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. I see you looking at my body very closely, but there's a lot of things about me that you don't see. You know we can take it fast or take it slowly. We could fly out to Ibiza and get cozy. All your friends are looking for you, they don't know where you're at, cause you left with me and slipped out the back. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Yeah, I know you got some things that you could show me. Low-key, low-key, you should really get to know me. Let's forget about our phones until the morning. We can post up, no one gets to see our story. I can take you places you ain't been before me. Then the rest I guess is self-explanatory. All your friends are looking for you, they don't know where you're at, cause you left with me and slipped out the back. Low-key,
kasih menonton makeup. Kata apa, tutorial makeup saya. So, see you again. Bye.
Low key, you should really get to know me. Yeah, I know